Madadaganan na bola. Ito
Ingat
si
sa t-shirt.
Makineba.
Ingat sa t-shirt.
Kuha naman. Matatago yung yellow one.
And then send the cue ball back to where it
Pabalik,
is right now.
Tapos masasagi yung 9 ball. Di pala.
Hey. But I guess that was part of the plan. Good position on the 2. Ligpitable na ito.
Ang tanong.
Oh, he played a safety shot. Direct hit at itatago yung pamato sa likod ng 5. Just like this. One rail kick pwede pa
One rail
naman.
kick. Long rail.
May tatago
contact
ba?
ulit.
Can see part of the 1 ball. That's enough contact. This is gonna be either behind the 2 or behind the 5.
Makineba, safety.
Behind the 2 dapat,
Behind the
yes.
2. From the looks of it, this is gonna be our longest track of the evening.
Yan na nga,
By
oh.
far.
Pag mali si Kyle, paluin natin ng 9 beses, ha?
Ni 9 nga! Ni 9
Nuebe!
nga! Ni 9 nga! 9
Oh! Oh my goodness!